Baba has allegedly gotten married to his new lover, Natasha Osawaru, in a secret traditional wedding in Edo State. According to reports shared online, the ceremony took place on April 25, 2025, at the mansion of the Esama of Benin. Only a few people were invited, and guests were not allowed to bring phones or cameras, so no pictures or videos were shared on social media. It was said that Baba's older brother and his family attended the ceremony. However, other family members, including Baba's mother, were reportedly not seen at the event. Natasha's mother and siblings were also missing. The couple first sparked marriage rumors months ago when they visited the Esama of Benin together. This private ceremony seems to confirm those rumors. Blogger Stella Dimoko Kokos reported that a bigger wedding celebration will happen in May, and special outfit called Ashrebi would be made for the guests. Baba was previously married to actress Anna Idibia. They had 2 children together. The singer also had 5 children from past relationships. After the news of alleged marriage surfaced online, fans shared their opinions. Some congratulated the couple, while others expressed surprise. The story of Baba's marriage has caused a lot of talk online, with people curious about what will happen next. For more real-time news updates regarding this story, keep watching NaijaNews TV.